Hello, hello. Bex, I'm sure you're long gone, but thanks for the lurk, regardless. Um. Okay. So, what we're doing today. Oh, right. So, what we're doing today is, we're making our own stream avatars-esque overlay. Because there are things I want to do with it that the existing API do not support. I contacted the main dev of it. They told me that that what I'm trying to do cannot be done through Lua through the existing API. I asked if I could purchase a license to the base code so that I could implement the changes that were needed myself. They said no, which is totally fine, but it just means that I need to make my own because the functionality I'm looking for, they told me they plan on implementing at some point, but I want it now, so I'm just gonna make my own. Which means that we get to work with Twitch API, which is terrible, but that's fine. But I need to set up some back-end stuff that is for security, which I can't show, and then we'll be ready to go. Let's see. What do I need to put in here? Oh. Good. Okay. That's good to go. I'm not a robot, last I checked. Okay, grab this. Still not a robot. Started. Okay. No. I think these didn't import properly. Let's... try this again. Okay. So this is mad about something. One moment. Oh, so that's still just that. Okay. Let me just restart it. Search this. Okay. So that's fine. Oh, that's because it's got to. This is default. That's it. There should be a scriptable object, though. I'm confused why there isn't. Okay, so this is a singleton. It's fine. Okay, first of all, do this. So I don't. Don't actually want that. Okay. So that's fine. Okay, so it's Twitch SDK settings that we're worried about here, but it's supposed to be a scriptable object. Okay, it is a scriptable object. Okay. So this does just need to be generated somewhere. Sorry, I should have had a little bit more of this done before I started the stream. I thought it was going to be a bit more straightforward. But I think we're good. We're there now. I just need to find where... Does this have a menu? Here it is. Okay. So it's in resources. Got it. Okay. Okay. And I think I goofed. Yeah, goofed. That's fine. Manage. Okay. Grab that. Put that. This is angry. Let's see. Okay. That. I'm still mad about that. No. the fuck? Okay, Unity's just completely borked now. Okay, honestly, just gonna remove that and build a new one. Oh, shit. Oh, that's fine. Hey, you. Go girl. Okay. Let this do its thing. I don't know why it's breaking to the extent that it is, but we're just not gonna worry about it. What version did I even use for this? That might be why. Okay, we're gonna stop being dumb for a second. Soon as this wants to stop doing what it's doing. Oh, it crashed on its own anyway, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. With lesser degrees of stupidity. New project. I'm going to call it... No. First of all, use a newer version of Unity. I'm gonna call it Twitch RPG. To be pissy about it. I know I require permission to make changes. I am the permission. Round. Now. Oh, it's because Visual Studio's still open, isn't it? God damn. That would explain it. There we go. Okay. Okay, newer version of Unity. Don't connect to Unity Cloud. Great. Good girl. Okay. See how this does. Oh shit, I didn't do pull these up. Oops. Alright. What? Oofy. Okay. Now I just have to do this part again real quick. Yeah, this package has been recently updated, so I am wondering if that version of Unity was just too far out of date. Nope. Why would this be happening? I don't understand. Damn. What happens if I just don't do that? Okay, it doesn't even care. Well then, fuck it. Hey, that's not gonna break anything, right? Yeah. It's just a GUI. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of doing that in the beginning. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, cool. So now it's set up. Hey, no. Okay, that's fine. All right. Now let's actually get into reading some of the documentation here. We're gonna learn together, chat. And foundations objects, their components available in Twitch Game Engine plugin for Unity. Okay. You're actually gonna tell me what any of these do? You can have multiple concurrent subscriptions to the same event type. In that case, each event will be delivered to every single subscription. Use wait for event to be notified immediately when the next event arrives. Whenever an event arrives, even though you are not currently waiting, the event is buffered, okay. Try get next event. Wait for events. Okay, let's get down to Twitch API. Okay. Click user subscription. String broadcaster ID. After Unity reference, Unreal reference, okay. This is rough. Just in the sense that it doesn't, it's the aggregate exception that caused the underlying test to exit prematurely. There's not actually enough documentation for some of this. Bits leaderboard, bits, cheer event. Okay, so raid event is a thing. Right, so we get a number of viewers in the raid. Which is just an integer. Does this provide us with any other info? This other stuff needs to happen. But I want to get an idea. Actually, right, so raid event should be somewhere. What's it called? Oops. Channel raid event. Okay, so it doesn't exist. Okay. Interesting. Get number of viewers. User info. Count. What's in immersion? Oh, nothing. Okay. Nice. That's fine. And stream, I understand somewhat now. And okay, what I need to understand. Airbun, hi. I'm making my own version of like a stream avatars overlay. Which means I have to work with Twitch chat. Um, Stream avatars as it exists, you know, love it. It's awesome, it's cool, it's cute, but it can't do what I specifically need it to do. Okay, so how do I get event stream, prediction, Twitch API? Is it in channel? That might be. Clips, user. No. Redemptions, retouching. Yeah. It's not that. Channel cheer event, rate event, subscribe event, which is all great. I know somewhere in here I can get who's in chat. Like, that must be. Scopes, channel. Maybe it's under user? Oh. Structure custom ring. Yeah. I don't think this is what I'm looking for. Oops. Request query parameters. Okay. Okay, I think I might understand now. Where are the queries? I understand what this is actually supposed to do, too. I hate that nothing is actually described in the API. Hype train contribution, level, clear, prediction poll. Language, user IDs. It's turns streams. Hang on. So stream query. Stream info streams. The tags the URL. Okay, but that's still not giving me a list of viewers in chat, which is what I need. User info. Still just a view count. I don't. Access to the Helix stuff. And streams broadcasts by one or more specific user, which is totally fine. I don't understand. If name, subscribe here. Get number of viewers. But somewhere well, and that's an okay. What's HTTP? Get post put patch delete. So presumably there's something where we can query with the normal HTTP system. I don't know why that wouldn't be built in, and that seems like that's what this is for. But where do we do that? I don't give you a lot to actually figure this shit out. Hmm. We just do. Twitch itself is a class. Okay. Then I know. I know that Twitch API should be a class, right? What was it then? No, Twitch API. Twitch API should be a class. Except apparently not. That's not helpful anyway, though. Okay, let's see. So we have Twitch SDK API. You're fine. Using Twitch SDK. Amber. Authentication, bits leaderboards, name info, user info. Stream info, got ID, login name. prediction. Query streams. Relevant raid events. Relevant night train events. Parameters are optional, at least one must be provided, right. Object describing the stream. Where? Is this still not minutes? Okay. Now let's go back to Twitch. It's a class. Okay, Twitch SDK API. This is the singleton. Right, so that's what we're supposed to access, I guess. Twitch dot. Is this not static? No. Wouldn't it be though? So let's see. Log if not equal null and twitch.ing and return twitch.instance by an object type twitch. It's static, so we should be able to get it from anywhere. Right? I'm not crazy? Yeah, Twitch. .api. 5 miles later, I have returned. Awesome. And how's it going? Welcome back. I'm just mildly tearing my hair out. Just instance. Create instance happens there. Why doesn't this exist? Twitch is a mono behavior. Then it holds on to a Twitch SDK API called API. That is static. So twitch.api should exist. Am I overlooking something obvious here? I don't understand. It has a getter. It's public. We should be able to just access it. I don't know that it would even help us, but it's weird that I can't. Right, because that's all fine. Twitch SDK API. I don't even think has what I need. User info. Desert. Very streams. Stream clarity. Game IDs, language, user IDs, user logins. Right, and that doesn't help us. I know I'm missing something because there has to be a... just like a basic chat info. Somewhere in here. Or, like, that's the entire point. Bench stream. That's fine. What's task? not gonna do anything for us. This though. Oh, game task takes in a task. Got it. I'm done. Game task. Just part of Twitch SDK. Takes in a task. Complete. Task awaiter. Task T. Now there's Twitch API, which on its own doesn't seem to exist. Let's go. Yeah, let's just. What all information? I think I've looked at this already. Looks at class. Right. And the channel says manage polls, manage predictions, manage broadcast, manage redemptions, read hype train. That. I don't know. Oops. I mean, I knew this was going to be painful. And I'm sorry that this is what I'm doing, because I'm sure it's not a particularly interesting thing to watch. Hopefully it'll get more interesting as things go on, but for now it's not going to be super interesting. Yeah, let's do these clips. So we can get that. Library. Generic task callback, task callback. Description. Find. Get the view count. Subscribe event, follow, subscribe. Spectrum. This has code examples for some of the shit we need. Wondering if they're existing. No, like that can't be true. Okay. So, it seems like, for whatever reason, the Unity Game Engine plugin does not read Twitch chat. Which, of all things, seems like the bare minimum thing you would expect it to do. But it seems like It seems like it has no chat integration out of the box, which is kind of wild. Like, it adds a ton of other functionality, which is awesome. And you don't love that, but there's some really basic things it just doesn't do. Which is weird, but it looks like for chat, I'm gonna have to do my own integration from scratch. You build your own version of the plugin with your own signature. Okay, source, yeah. I don't care about that. Yeah. So this is still good, so I can get things like raids and stuff like that. But I need to do Twitch integration or chat integration separately, which is crazy. So let me look at something on how to do that real quick. Actually gonna do what I need to. Hate
Maple Maggie is attacking the cult with an army of 6.
Hey Maggie, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. You bring more cool people indeed. I wish the stream was more interesting today, but alas. How was your stream? It was good, finished up a commission I've been putting off for like a month. Nice. It's awesome, man. What are we working on here today? We are making our own stream avatars-esque overlay. Because, basically, stream avatars does not support what I need to do with its API. And I contacted the main dev. They said, they confirmed that with the Lua API that's available, I cannot do what I want to do. I asked them if I could purchase like a single-use license to their codebase to modify it and to not redistribute it, and they said no. So I decided to make my own. And working with Twitch API is about equivalent to extracting your own fingernails with a little pair of tweezers, but we're getting there. So here's the thing.
Drunkle Jin has entered the cult.
Drunkle Jin. Welcome to the Cult of Death. On this day you may, I'm your benefactor, the Dreadman himself. On this day you may ask me one boon, with the understanding that I may ask something of equal value from you in the future.
1988 has joined the cult.
Also, Jesus Christ, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. That is so generous, dude. Bit aside, I can't keep the bit going when you're being this cool. God damn it. Ah. Got a hype train going. Oh, was that Wick 1988? Thank you for joining the Cult of Dev. Drunkle Jin is not responding to the whole boon thing, so I'm just gonna call it. So I'm getting ready for work. No worries, dude. It's fine. It's meant to be funny. Wick 1988. Welcome, and thank you for joining the Cult of Dev. I am your benefactor, the Dreadman himself. On this day you may ask of me one boon, with the understanding I may ask something of equal value in the future. Do you accept these terms? And again, I'm not gonna drag it out. Maggie. I'm gonna accept the terms. Oh, wait, no, we back, bitch. The contract is sealed. What would you have from the Cult of Dev? Maggie, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to scroll down in the stream to the Stream Avatars tab. You'll find there's a little surprise for you there. Just for you specifically. But Wick, feel free to ask your boon. Also, while we wait, just want to point out, Drunkle Jin, you just single-handedly got me to my view, which are to my goal of 10 new subs. So, thank you so much, dude. It's super generous. Really appreciate it. Well, I'm gonna have to deal that in another time. Got a dip. Thanks for having me. Alright, man. No worries. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a good rest of your day. But Maggie, can we consider our contract finally done? That's what I do. I find small streamers and share the joy when I can. Well, I really appreciate it, dude. I was not having a very good day, but that made it a lot better. So really appreciate that. I'm not a very expressive person, so don't take that to mean that that I'm not enthused. She'll accept this in place of doubloons. And no, look at the currency. Oh no, wait, it fucking okay. Okay. I need you to understand something. Stream Avatars has a little field where you name the currency, right? By default it's gold. If you refresh the page enough times, or you do whatever, it will be replaced by doubloons. It's supposed to be called doubloons, but it just says points half the time for literally no reason. And I don't understand it. Oh well. Fresh punch 1 sec. Okay. I don't know why it doesn't work. Or at least like some of the time it doesn't work, but also some of these are not. Just gonna deal with something real quick. Okay. That should be fine then. Yeah. I think we're good. Warren still says points. I give up. I'll just trust you that it's supposed to be doubloons. I thought it finally worked today because it was saying doubloons earlier, and then I refreshed my stream, and now it's back to saying points. I don't understand. It's not okay. When I have my own setup, I promise it'll say doubloons. Right, so here's the thing. So Twitch developed a plugin that allows you to access some Twitch functionality from your game directly, using their like native API, right? Which is cool, and it's nice that it's all done for you and everything. I'm running into so many problems with it being kind of limited that I'm questioning if it's even worth using this, or if I'm better off just setting up WebSockets and everything and just using the API directly using HTTP. It's just such a that's such a pain in the ass to do, but using this is such a pain in the ass. And what's really, really dumb is the one thing this can't do natively is read Twitch chat. Which is like the most basic thing. So I'm gonna have to set up a separate script just to read Twitch chat because I need to be able to get like commands and stuff through chat so that you guys can do shit. It's weird. I don't really understand it. But yeah, I'm thinking I might have to just kind of build my own kind of API for it because it's just not, doesn't quite want to do the things I need it to do. But like it does some of them, right? Because raid events are great. But it's also just Twitch API sucks. Because I know that Twitch has the information I need. Right, so because you raided, like here's main goal that I have with this is I want a little mini game that happens where we have our little crows at the bottom of the screen, right? But then when someone raids, it spawns in an army for them, and then my army is just the viewers that are already here and they fight. So it's like, you know, the channel's getting invaded. And then what comes with that is everyone's gonna have stats, and eventually there's going to be custom commands you can type in, like, you know, !mine, !spar, things like that will let you train. And when you train, it plays an animation for, you know, X amount of time and you earn X amount towards that stat, right? And then your abilities will be scaled based off of your stats that you can grind by being in stream typing in commands. So basically, like, I want to turn my Twitch chat into RuneScape is like the goal here. Yeah, you type in chat commands, those chat commands let you perform actions, those actions let you grind stats, and it's, for one, just fun, but then also it gives people more incentive to interact with the stream, because if you have to type in the command every like 60 seconds or, you know, 2 minutes or whatever to restart the animation to grind it more, and then you have to be here for a longer duration of the stream to grind your stats up. And then if someone raids and they win the raid, they get VIP. And then someone else can steal their VIP by dueling them. But you can only duel a VIP once every however long, right? So the people aren't just like spamming it. But then like you could steal their title by beating them in a duel. That's like the working concept. And then during raid battles, that are basically like a team deathmatch, you can type in commands to change your action. So like the default action will just be whatever you have the highest stat in, right? So if you have your highest stat in healing, then you're gonna just be providing healing buffs to everyone. But then you can type in like _attack, or !debuff, or like whatever, right? And change the action that your avatar is performing, so that people can actually interact with the battle and change what they're doing based off of it. And the raiders will be able to do that too. Like there'll be like a little tip display that will say like, do this, that, or the other thing. Type in these commands to do these actions. Yeah, so part of the thing with that, right, is that when someone types in one of those commands, first of all, when everyone's avatars are spawned, the raiders' avatars are spawned for the battle, I know that Twitch knows when someone chats if they are from the raid or not, because it tells me. The little pop-up around it says Raider from Maple Maggie. So I know that Twitch on the back end knows. I don't know how to access that piece of information through the API, and it's really weird and it's really frustrating. But I'm gonna figure it out. Regardless, I hate to dip so soon after you got here, but I've got to go pick my girlfriend up from work, so I will be ending this here. I've accomplished literally nothing today, but I learned a couple things and I learned what I need to do. It's gonna be a lot of boring streams for the next little bit, because it's just gonna be me learning how all of this stuff works. So apologize for that, but for those of you watching live, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. As always, Discord, down in the buttons on Twitch and the description on YouTube if you'd like to join my community. If you're watching this on a VOD, then first of all, congratulations getting to the end of the VOD of this very boring stream. That's shocking, but if you did somehow manage that, then and you'd like to catch a live that's hopefully a little bit more interesting, then you know what to do. Subscribe, follow, depending on what platform you're on. And with that, I will see you in the next one.